Hello students, welcome to Modern Management Technique class. I am Professor Namrata Hampiholi from Department of Commerce and Accountancy, KLS GCC Belgavi. We are dealing with the fourth unit, that is setting up of a new business enterprise. So this is the second class for this unit. In our previous class, we have started with the introduction to this topic, and we have seen what are the factors need to be taken or considered before we starting up of the new business. So when you are planning to start a new business or take up a new business, there are certain factors which play an important role for the consideration. That is, those factors are kept in the mind before you start off thinking of doing the business. So in today's class, we are going to see the next step, that is further process, that is steps in setting up of the new business, right? So once if you have decided to start up the business, then what are the things you need to follow up? So here these are the few steps, these are the 9 steps which you need to consider in setting up of a new business enterprise. The first one is discovery of an idea, or also called as an idea generation. So here everyone will get an idea of doing the business, right? So here every person has some or the other idea of doing the business, but bringing that idea into the reality plays again a very important role. So here this is a very important function of an entrepreneur, where his ideas are generated or converted into the vision of that particular business. Here an entrepreneur will need an insight, that is he need a deep observation, he need a experience, he need a education and training in order that so that idea should be here a realistic one, or that idea should have some meaning, right? So this idea needs the environmental scanning and the market survey. That is, here he should just see that his ideas are being converted into the reality, that is by scanning it, that is through doing a various market survey, by analyzing each and factors which will work into the reality, checking that his idea is brought into the action here, right? Then next here about an entrepreneur, he is one who is converting the business idea to the commercial venture, right? That means he is just not doing it for his hobby purpose, he is a one who is engaged himself in the commercial activity, that is he turns that to be in a monetary benefit. So the idea which he is generating, he wants to turn it into the monetary basis. So this is a discovery of his, and that is discovery of an idea, wherein he develops an idea and see that whether that idea will get some market value, that is being commercialized. So that is what we are going to see in the discovery of an idea. Then next is here determining the objective, right? So the next step in setting up of the business venture is to determine the objectives of business, right? So here objective is what your goal, right? That is direction which shows that where we have to go. So any activity or anything which you take up to do must have some objective, right? Without objective, it is meaningless to even to walk also, right? So even if you go for the walking also, you know for what purpose you have stepped out of the house. In the same purpose, in the case of business, every business have some objective, right? We have studied about the planning here, right? The planning here nothing but it shows how we have to reach to the goal. So the setting up of the objective is very important. It serves the basic purpose, or it is a main reason why there is an existence of the business. So the existence here depend on the objectivity of the business enterprise. Then next is here identifying the opportunities, right? So this is a first step in setting of the unit. That is, here identifying opportunity means what? The idea which you have taken, you have to just see that what is the scope or the opportunity for that, right? Now if you want to establish a multiple that is here complex, that is a very big complex which has even theaters, that is as we have in a metro city PVR, then you have a shopping mall, right? In entire one complex under one roof, you want to give this all the benefit for the people, but you are planning it to set up in some rural areas, right? Or the area wherein the rural area is nearby, right? So in such case, the opportunity for your business is very less. Why? Because the people don't prefer such type of the living there, right? That in case if you set up in a city limits, then obviously people will come to you. They may visit your complex. In the same way, you have to identify the opportunity. You have to see that how far your business is going to mix up in the market, or what will be the response if you set up this business in the market, right? So here it includes the process of identifying the opportunities, which will involve the need and wants of the customer, scanning of the environment. That means that studying all the factors of the environment which are prevailing, right? In our business environment, we have studied here that is environment. It has its internal factors, external factors. After studying that, you have to see that whether you got an opportunity or your business, whether it is really going to run in the market. Then here comes this detailed investigation of an data, right? So here investigation means here again finding out or the analyzing the ideas feasibility, that is whether their project is profitable or not. Okay, so here an entrepreneur must show the initiative to develop the idea and implement in a practical sense. So here it is a collection of the data, that it involves the data which is to be collected, or the data which is necessary for their business, and it acts as a supporting for the development of the organization. Then next comes is undertaking the various market research, right? So here, after selecting a idea which is a worthy one, right, that is which is sensible one and realistic one, the entrepreneur have to do the selection of he has to research certain factors. That includes market selection, that is what are his market, what is a place for his market, right? That is target market, you can say, that is who are his customer with on which the business is focusing. Then competition, he should see that whether like already there are a person or the enterprises with the same product, right? So he should look into his competition. Then he should see the location, right? As we have discussed in the previous class, location should be in such a place that there shouldn't be you shouldn't spend again more on the transportation, either for raw material or to reach that production to market, right? Then machinery equipments, availability of the machineries and equipment for your product or services, whether these are available or no. Then comes here is capital, right? Then capital means what here? The amount which is required to run this business, whether he makes that arrangement at a proper time without incurring much loss. Then comes here is customer preference, that is what are the customer preference and whether our products are meeting the customer demands. So these are the various research the entrepreneur have to undertake. Then coming is designing a business plan, right? So here, as we know that plan, that is reaching towards the objective, is very important. So at this step, entrepreneur will prepare a good business plan. Okay, so the design and creates the organizational structure for the implementation of his plan. He designs in such a way that he will structure or he will plan, he will put a organizational structure wherein his plan have to be implemented, that it shows that it is a how is the working of the business enterprise. Then next come here is resources rising, right? So when it comes to the resources are what here? These are the necessary things, or these are the supporting roles for the business. So resources include here men resource, that is here human resources, money, capital, machinery, materials, right? So here these are the various resources wherein he need to bring it together in order that they synchronize with each other for the reaching objective of the business, right? So here huge capitals are required, that is they need a lot of money to start up the business. So where from where does the entrepreneur is going to collect that amount, right? Then how is the what kind of the personnel he need in an organization, that is what we are going to study here in the resources of men, right? So here It is a one of the critical step of the new venture when it comes to the rising of the resources. Why? Because as it is a new enterprises, you will be very scared that how the resources are going to be collected, right? So for the new enterprises, collection of resources is one of the crucial stages. The next year is setting up of the enterprise, right? So at this stage the entrepreneur has fulfilled some of the legal formalities. Okay, so as we have seen in our company law subject, there are various you can say that the legal formalities when it comes to the starting up of the business. Business doesn't start only if you have an idea in the mind and you get it to the practical. That should even get a legal existence, right? In that case, you have to acquire a legal permission, that is legal license he need to take. Then you have to take permission from the local authorities, then approve from the banks and financial institutions, then registration process, etc. So when these steps are being completed, then there is a setting up of the enterprises. Then last point here is managing a business enterprises, right? So here once the project is set up, the entrepreneur must try to achieve the target of the business plan. This will involve the setting up of appropriate business process, right? So as we have seen that managing includes planning, organizing, directing, staffing, controlling, directing, right? So those all factors are under this managing. So after once your business has been set up, these processes are to be undertaken so that the business will run very smoothly. So these are some of the steps which are being involved in setting up of the new business. So it will start from idea generation and it will goes on feasibility study, then that is identifying the opportunity, then taking the data, then collecting the various resources, okay, then setting up of the enterprises with the legal formality, that is giving legal existence to your business. Then last comes is business in managing the enterprises. So I hope you are clear with this today's class. See you all in the next class. Thank you.